Hello friends! Are you a beginner who wants to warm up, feel strong and burn energy without hurting your joints? Then this 10-minute low-impact warm-up is just right for you. See what we are going to do. We are going to do some very special moves to wake up your body, boost metabolism and get your heart ready and pumping. It's even good for people who want weight loss, who have hormonal issues or who want to help their body move better each single day. You will feel lighter, warmer and more focused without much pressure. See, research also shows that warm-up can burn more calories, boost circulation and lower injury risk whenever we are doing harder workouts later on. Your coach is Sunil sir with over 15 years of helping people move smarter. And guess what? We do everyday free live workouts like this morning and evening. So make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel because we go live on YouTube every single day. And stay till the end of the video. Make sure to do the full 10 minutes for a surprise gift which is waiting at the end. Let us begin. Yes, sir.
So let's start with
Warm up.
warm up.
Yes.
So we'll start with shoulder first. 5 counts.
Shoulder rotations. 3, 4 and 5.
Go other way around. Very good. Next one, keep your legs wider and punch forward
Okay.
10 times. Very nice. Let's kick forward.
Okay. Anything to take care when we kick forward? Back straight or something?
No, just kicking normal, not to take your hand and all. Just kick forward. This is just the mobility for the hip joint and the knee joint. Kick.
Okay.
So we're gonna do 10 each leg.
3.
Very nice. No leaning forward, just kicking forward. So you're working on the knee and the hip same time.
So 10 each leg?
Yeah, 10 each leg. Very nice.
Okay.
The next one, just the butt kick. So
Okay.
taking the heel all the way to the butt. Come on. Yeah. So no leaning forward, upper back straight.
Okay.
Just taking the heel all the way up to the butt.
Like.
Very nice. Back straight. Very nice. Same one, 10 each leg.
I think I have done.
Okay. Now the next one is like kicking sideways.
Okay.
Sideways, like you just take it up. So the same way we are just mobilizing the hip. Take it up.
1.
We can do alternate also.
Okay. Avi.
4. Yes, very good. 5. So make sure you're not tilting sideways. It's just taking the leg up. Yeah. Good.
Okay. Now the other side.
Other leg. So the toe pointing straight. Yeah, no turning your upper body. The body has to stay straight. Only the leg has to move from your hip. Very nice.
Okay.
Good. Now we'll repeat again. Let's go.
Okay. So round 2.
5. Again, do the other way around.
1, 2.
Legs wider and punch. Punch and breathe out. Yes. Very nice. So we are mobilizing your shoulder, we are mobilizing your knee, hip and everything. Very nice. Very good. Relax. Let's kick forward.
Leg forward kicks. Okay.
So kick from your hip and the knee. Very nice. So same thing, no leaning backward or forward. Just kicking. Yes. 10 each leg. Very good. Feel your hip joint. Very nice. Lovely. Now let's do the butt kick. Kicking the butt all the way up. All the way. Very good. So knee has to get mobilized. No leaning forward. Back straight. Take it as high as possible. Very nice. The last one. Sideways.
Sideways. Okay.
Come on. Take it as side as possible. And toe has to be pointing straight. And no leaning on your opposite side. Very nice. Keep going. Lovely. Back has to stay straight. Chin has to stay parallel to the floor. Very good. Other side one. Come on, let's go up. Take it up and toe has to be pointing straight. Very good. Feel your hip joint. Very good. Try not to lean on the opposite side. Lovely. We'll repeat one more time. Last. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go up. Shoulders. As you do little more good warm up, it's actually easier for you to do any activity without getting any injuries. So it's better to get the warm up, the body get more warmer, joints get mobile. So it's very easy to do it, everything. Punch it. Lovely. Kick forward. Kick. Kick from the knee. Kick from the knee. Yes, kick. See, it's like a knee up and then kick forward. Knee up from the hip and kick. Very nice. Breathe out as you kick forward. Very nice. Lovely. Let's do the butt kick. Take your leg all the way. Heel all the way to the hips. Very good. Back has to stay straight. Very good. Breathe normal, no holding breath. Let's do the last one. Side leg raise. Yeah, so no again leaning on the side. Yeah, take your leg as high as possible. Breathe out as you take your leg up. Very nice. Good. Keep breathing. Very good. Try not to lean on the opposite side. Lovely. To the other leg. Try to keep your toe pointing straight. And breathe out as you take your leg up. Very good. Lovely. Keep going. Good job. Well done. Very good. Just stretch it out. Just stretch it out. Stretch your shoulder.
Okay.
Stretch your shoulders. Hands up all the way. When you're doing the mobility, so that time we have a stretch to hold only for 5 seconds because we don't want the body should get cooler. So just like little bit warm up of stretching up everything. So you're ready for the exercise.
You just worked hard and gave your body the strength that it needs. Great job, congratulations. But you know what? The real transformation, it doesn't just come from one 10-minute workout. It comes from personalized daily basis plan that builds strength, boosts metabolism, keeps our hormones happy and keeps the energy high. All day long, that's the #1 proof of a good plan. And that's why we created your very own science-backed wellness plan. Plus, all this completely personalized to your needs, not some generic plan. So the entire NERD protocol will get personalized to your body type. See, whether you are dealing with PCOS, weight gain, low energy, autoimmune disorders, or you just want to feel stronger and good energetically, this plan will get customized for your exact body type. See, this plan is so detailed that it will notice your emotions, it will notice your physical symptoms, your genetics, even your social profile, to see what is the ideal solution that will work with your lifestyle, that will work with your body. So make sure to tap the link below to start on this personalized plan and take your results to the next level. See, you already started strong. Now this is where together, alright? And make sure to subscribe to the channel because we will keep building routines like this. We will keep building stronger strength routines like this every single day. And in the comment section, you can mention to us what other topics you want us to work on in this workout section. Any other thing that you have on which you want us to make videos, please write in the comments.